Located in Erie County along the Niagara River, Tonawanda is where small business thrives. From independent contractors and storefront owners to repair shops and freight services, it's a town where everyone's in motion. And timing is everything. In a place that values follow-through, fast answers, and reliable support matter more than ever. At New York Fast Funding, we provide funding that works in real time, so when it's time to act, you're never left waiting. Our process is simple. No red tape, no credit score surprises. Just a fast track to the funding that helps you make moves. If your business is earning $10,000 a month and you've been up and running for 6 months, we've got options tailored for you. In Tonawanda, the work never stops, and your funding shouldn't either. From Tonawanda to every corner of New York State, we are helping businesses grow. Quickly, confidently, and without the wait. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.